Cruise day 4. We are docked in the Dominican Republic and it's loud and crazy outside at 8:30 in the morning. Hi. There's a dock down there. Okie doke. Ooh, the gangway is just below where I'm at. Ooh, you can see the rainbow. Wind turbines. And the sea beyond. Alright. There's the ship. Obviously. They say she's a smaller ship, but she looks pretty big to me. And this is the entrance to Amber Cove, which is basically just a place for cruise ships to pull up to. And it's starting to sprinkle. Over here they have cabanas, which I guess people rent for a day when they come in on the cruise ship. Just a place to hang out right on the water. Okay, this is another side of Amber Cove, which is a cove, and it has a cruise port, and then it has shops and restaurants on the other side of this building. And right here at the apex of the port, there's a selfie spot. Seems like every place in the world has a selfie spot now. Step in the water. And then back there are more shops, and it looks like there's an overlook up top there. So let's take a walk through the main square here. These people pass. So yeah, now we're feeling tropical again. It's really just a lot of shops. Place to spend your money, get some food. And yeah, I guess there's some outdoor things, and then they also have you could take different tours here. So I guess you hop off the boat and they put you on a bus and take you to different spots. See, just walk all around. So the rain has passed for the moment, like it typically does in the tropics. Actually cooled it down a little bit, which is nice. There's some Dominican history and more shops. Drink the view upstairs. 2 for 1 mojitos. Okay. I'll probably skip that, but taking a walk up this trail, and I see, yeah, the steps lead to a bar up here. It's almost like being in the rainforest. Almost. Let's see what view we get from all the way up here. Whoa. I'm getting my steps in. My vertical steps, which is even better. Whew. Ooh. I like the blue sky. There's like a little escape ladder there, it looks like. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, I can see the pool. And the ship. See the ship from almost everywhere. Beautiful. Oh, this is that overlook that I saw from down there. What's going on there? That's the evacuation route. I guess if you have a wheelchair, you can be wheeled up. Oop, here's the zip line. Forget about it. Forget about it. I guess that is a bar up there. We're going. Although I'm not getting a drink. As it is. Oof. Okay. Nice. Nice. Oof. This is it. This is the view. From here you can see all of Amber Cove. And even though it's rained a little, I mean it's nice. It's tropical. There's a nice breeze blowing now. It's probably in the mid 70s. Back here is the bar where I was just standing. Some people are having drinks, checking their phones. And yeah, so this is all of Amber Cove. Dominican Republic. Cruise day 4 in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic, and I've got the party right outside my balcony door here. Look at this. Down below is the main gangway. And they got the music going. And yep, this is the kind of day we're having today. After some rain showers a couple times earlier, it's looking like this. Pretty perfect. Late afternoon, and we are back at sea, headed for St. Thomas. Arriving tomorrow morning, so sun sets in the west.